Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on start icon and select device manager. On this window, we need to expand sound, video and game controller. Then right click on this and select update driver. Now just follow my screen. Now click on check for updates. It will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, close this window. Again, right click on it and select update driver. Choose the second option, select and then select next. Click on S. OK. Now close this window. Click on this icon and select troubleshoot sound problems. It will try to detect the problems. And then check this option. It will open speakers properties. Now check this option, apply all the changes and close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.